Hello and welcome. I'm outside the Sydney cricket ground. The ODI series have concluded. India won the third ODI, avoided a clean sweep, but Australia took it 2-1. But it felt like India have lifted an ICC tournament. India have won an ICC tournament. It was absolute madness inside and outside the stadium. Every run was being cheered, every shot was being cheered. There were multiple times where the SCG crowd stood up, and for Cricket Australia also, it was a record breaking series in terms of crowd. Over 1,20,000 people coming across these three venues and celebrating the last of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli on Australian soil. This is not the last dance for them in international cricket. Both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli proved why they are so special. What they have achieved in international cricket is something which all the youngsters, all the players crave to do, dream to do. Outside the SCG, as I said, it felt like India have lifted an ICC trophy. People were dancing, people were celebrating, there were tears, there were jumps, there were joys. People have went absolute bonkers. And of course, I have seen everything now. I have seen Aussies dance in Bhangra tune. That is what this Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli gave to the crowd of Sydney. Multiple people from corners of the world came to witness just Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Sydney, yes, it's one of the most popular tourist place, but Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, their presence gave this format a breath of fresh air. After 7.5 months returning, yes, it was a rusty start. Yes, they did not score in Perth. India lost there after a rain-marred match. Rohit Sharma got some runs in Adelaide. Virat Kohli scored his consecutive duck on Australian soil for the first time ever, but both of them returned here. And when I was talking to the fans before and after the match, you can see that that twinkle in their eyes. That Virat and Rohit, what they have given to these fans over the last 15 years or so, it has been a special journey, and they did not deserve an ending which no one wanted. There were speculations, there were reports, there were rumors that this could be the last of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli in international cricket, but they have silenced their critics. They have shown that form is temporary and class is permanent. And outside the Sydney cricket ground, when people were going mad, people were celebrating, people were hugging each other, people were hugging unknown people, people were saying with posters, with drums, with trumpets, when they were dancing, even 1 hour after the match, when people held back, stayed back inside the stadium just to catch a final glimpse of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma heading to the team bus, it was special. That is what Rohit and Virat have achieved in their respective careers. So yeah, for them, this ODI series ends. For them, perhaps this was the one last time on Australian soil, but they will be back. They will be back when India take on South Africa in the ODI series in November. So yeah, we will see the start of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli on Indian soil. But for the Aussie people, for the crowd who came to Sydney, I think they could not have dreamt a better ending for Roh and Co. So yeah, enjoy the visuals, enjoy the madness which the crowd here at the Sydney Cricket Ground gave. It was happiness, it was joy which Rohit and Virat gave. So yeah, signing off from Sydney Cricket Ground. Enjoy the coverage. We'll head to Canberra for the T20I leg. So stay tuned to Rev Sports, like the video, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.